Previously on episode 3.
When they get what they want, they won't appreciate it anymore.
I'm sorry, Mariah. Earlier, I was a bit tired, so I was rude. Please, forgive me, all right?
If he can't be loyal to his wife, he can't be loyal to his company.
I will see how long you are going to ignore me. I'm having so much fun today. How can I live without you, babe?
Oh, really? I heard you were so good on the dance floor the other night.
Well, I have no one cares about me. My baby doesn't even answering any phone call or text messages. So I must go have some fun to comfort myself. What can I do otherwise?
Is it? I guess I have some making up to do right now. What are you doing?
I just want to have some photos of you for whenever I'm missing you.
Delete it. I'm about to get a promotion. We should be more careful.
All right. No one will know.
It's late. I should be home. Mariah is waiting.
It's just 10 p.m. Stay with me tonight, will you?
Can't do. Be a good girl and I'll come over once in a while. I'm home. You have your dinner yet?
Not yet. I'm waiting to have dinner with you.
I told you not to wait. I was about to be late.
It's because I have a special gift for you.
A gift? What is it?
You should open it right away.
Is it true? Am I becoming a father?
Done. My husband is so handsome today.
Of course. Your husband is now the vice director, you know.
We must celebrate. Let's have a party this weekend.
Sure. I'll invite my colleagues. You invite our parents and siblings. We will announce our incoming baby on the party.
Then don't forget our friends. I'll just invite Linda. She is my bestie, and she has been so good to me lately. You should have some of your boys coming too.
Sure. Let's invite Linda. It's good to see you two being close.
Congratulations for becoming the Vice Director of Sales, Mr. Mark Wilson. We are expecting great development from your contribution to the company.
Thank you, everyone. I will give my best shot on this new position and will surpass your expectation.
Mariah, darling, hi. How are you doing?
Hi, Linda, my dear. Welcome to our party.
Where is Mark? Shouldn't the host be here right now?
Mark was out for some groceries. He should be home soon.
Need a hand?
Don't be. The host should do all the work. You are our dear guest, so just sit down and enjoy.
Look at those clumsy preparations. I'd have been a better host for my dear Mark remote celebration party. That should have been my position.
How is your love life these days? All good.
Yeah, all good. I mean, perfect. He's a beast on bed. We can't part for long.
That's great. I'm happy for you. Oh, it's Mark.
I'll go to the bathroom and leave you to some privacy. Welcome home, Mocky.
Linda, not here. The guest is coming any minute now.
Fine.
I'm back.
I see you are having something sweet in there.
Anything for my wife and my baby.
Go. Get a room, you two.
People are coming. I'll go get changed.
Okay, my dear?
Anyway, I'll need to borrow your lipstick, Mariah.
Sure. It's on my left drawers in the bedroom.
Okie dokie.
But Mark is changing, so... Never mind.
Congrats on your promotion, my baby boo.
Hey, stop. Mariah's outside.
Don't even mind her. She's too busy to even notice we are missing.
No, not in our bedroom.
Darling, your colleagues is waiting. Should I? What are you two doing?